Feeling drained from the monotony of daily reading? Natural Reader is here to transform your experience. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Techworsh. Day 5 of learning 38 tools in 30 days. Today we are going to explore the Natural Reader AI. It is an amazing text to speech tool that can help you improve productivity and make your reading experience more accessible. Let's get started. Well, to use Natural Reader AI, you have to open your web browser and search for Natural Reader. Here you can see the first link www.naturalreaders.com. Click on open on it. Here you can see text, document, libraries and voice cloning. You can generate features from the text by using AI. By clicking on here, you can change the voices of the AI. Here you can see free versions and premium versions and cloned versions also. By using cloned option, you can create your own voice to speeches and select your language according to your options. Here you can see there is a pre-default text here, or you can paste on your own text and click on play, listen to the speech.
We have both free and paid subscriptions to our applications to meet different users' needs on different budgets. Our Plus subscription includes exclusive features and
That's how text to speech works. If you have your notes and that is in a document form or any image form, you can head to document and you can select your options accordingly. If you have a document, you can upload it. If you have an image, you can upload it. Or else seeing a text in web page, you can give web page URL and listen to the content in the web page. Here you can see there is a basic image that contains text in it, and click on play symbol.
artificial intelligence. AI revolutionizing industries by driving innovation, efficiency, and transformation cross sector.
You can see that's how it works. It applies for the same image and web page URLs. You can now listen to any text with using Natural Reader. It's a great tool for students, professionals, and anyone who loves multitasking. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Techworsh for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you.